Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to review the Kasa Cam Outdoor. Here it is.
And Kasa sent us this for the review.
Yep. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So this is an outdoor security camera. All right, so here it is.
Anything else?
Some instructions and stuff in here.
Okay, nothing else in the box.
All right, it's got the little quick start guide. It's got a template for...
Oh, for mounting it. That's nice. It's handy.
And it's got another GNU General Public License Notice.
So another open source product.
Yeah. All right, so here's a charging cord.
Okay, USB cord.
Some screws.
Mounting screws.
And that's it.
That's it?
Well, there's a couple, yeah, pretty much.
Nothing else, huh?
There's the camera.
Oh, the exciting camera. Here we go.
Oh, that's pretty nice. It's nice and light. All right, so...
Oh, so they could be a pretty long cable to go with it.
Cable. So this is obviously wired only.
It's only wired. You have to be able to plug it in.
Need to be able to plug it in somewhere. It doesn't use batteries. And I'm going to take this off.
Your favorite part of unboxing.
I know, taking off the sticky part. So it's got, this is a 2 megapixel camera, right?
This is a 2 megapixel camera, right? So, and then it's
not
got
2 megapixels, sorry, 2K. It's a 4 megapixel camera.
Oh, it's a good thing we read the directions.
Get mixed up with all these numbers
sometimes. You were saying that the numbers are kind of like, is it 2K, 4 megapixel, 2 megapixel, this many megapixels?
This is 2K HD video, which should be really nice and clear.
And it has Starlight night vision, so it's supposed to be able to do full-time color. Well, we'll see if that's the case. I find the full-time color doesn't always go full-time. It is all weather. Obviously, it's outdoor.
It's an outdoor camera.
What else we got? Oh, it does have an SD card.
Well, it takes an SD card, so you can do local storage or you can use it with the cloud. The SD card is not included.
And if you look carefully on here, what you'll see is there's like a little compartment you have to unscrew, and it has the reset button in here and the place to put your micro SD card. And then it has a little swivel base. You can loosen up this here, theoretically, and then you can move it around and swivel. So
it's a nice camera.
Yeah, not bad, huh?
All right.
Pretty lightweight. Should be easy to mount in the house or our test board. we use a test board here. All right, that's it. That's the whole thing.
That's it. That's the Kasa Cam Outdoor. And Mark will go off and install it, and we'll come back and do our full review.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see how well the camera works. In the Kasa app, you can find recorded events in the Activity tab. We had turned on person and sound detection, and you can see we captured a couple of person detections and a sound detection. But we want to view just the person detections today, so we added a filter by clicking on the pencil icon. You can select a start and end time, the camera you want to look at, and detection type. We selected person detection and this camera. As you can see, the sound detection event was filtered out. The app shows you which camera and detection type along with the date and time of the event. Selecting More lets you share, remove, or download the event to your camera photo library. If you just want to watch the event on your phone, click the play button. We installed the camera on our test fixture, and you can see from the photo what the camera is looking at. On the bottom left is that daytime person detect event we downloaded, and on the bottom right is a similar person event only at night. As you can see, the 2K camera makes a pretty good video. The camera recorded the event several seconds before the person detection event was registered. Also, the color night vision works well. Keep in mind you can turn off color night vision if you want. Now, let's see how we set up the app. After installing the Kasa app, you add the camera by selecting the plus sign, device, and then the model of the camera. Be sure to plug it in. The light in the front of the camera will start to blink orange and green. You will need to go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and select the Kasa Cam. Then enter your network SSID and password, and the app will pair to the camera and connect to your Wi-Fi. As you can see from the notification, the camera works with Alexa. Since we had other Kasa products, we had already installed the required TP-Link Kasa Alexa skill. Don't worry though if you haven't. You can add the skill later and it will discover your Kasa camera. Name the camera. You have a choice of night vision modes. Then enable notifications. If you select Enable 24/7 Recording and don't have an SD card installed, you'll get an error message. Just select Disable for now. You can add the SD card and enable 24/7 recording later. Then mount the camera. At this point, install is complete. First time you click on the camera, the app will give you the option to subscribe to Kasa 4MP. They offer a free trial. Keep in mind, with an SD card, you can only view events. You need the Kasa 4MP subscription to download the events. We ended up subscribing. You are also prompted to enable person detection. Let's jump to settings to check out some key features. Select the camera and then the gear icon. If you've inserted an SD card, you can turn on 24/7 recording and format the SD card. You can turn on the various types of detection: motion, person, or even sound, plus the sensitivity. Cloud services is where you can view your Kasa 4MP subscription. You have a choice of Plus or Premium. Premium is nice if you have 4 or more cameras. You can purchase a plan from the Kasa app sidebar menu. Notifications lets you select to receive person or any motion detections and when. Super handy to filter out annoying motion detections. You can also set up activity zones where only motion inside the zone is reported. Be sure to change the video quality to 2K to get the best picture. Select the lower resolution if you have a slow internet. Oh, and is your camera picture upside down? There's a setting for that too. In day-night mode, we set the camera to auto and smart night vision. I'd recommend you play around with the other settings to see if they improve the recordings in your environment. There are other settings for you to explore. Finally, with 24/7 recording, you can play back anything the SD card recorded. They provide a timeline which shows when it recorded, plus clips of the motion type events for easy selection. Well, this was a quick look at the Kasa outdoor camera. We've been using it for a while and it works well. Thank you for watching.